Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have kind of a weird kin. I buy a lot of kins used, like they'll be in a tub or box at a garage sale. Look how he stands. Kind of cool. But look at his face. He's got a mess. But anyway, today he is here to invite you to join in the Boy Doll Collab. And this month what we're going to do is coats or jackets on a Ken doll. I think that he needs to get ready to go out. And let's see how this AliExpress outfit fits him that I actually bought for my Route 66 for the jacket. But let's take a look. Oh, should have put that on first. Well, isn't that funny? Okay. So I started this and realized the shirt may or may not go on this doll. It is a very strange, cheap shirt. Let's see what we got here. There's no, yeah, this isn't going on. So that is a fail. But I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll put a split in it and then I'll add Velcro, or I'll throw it out. We'll see. I don't usually throw anything out. But let's put his pants on. See how they fit. These are like silky tuxedo pants with a leather shirt. How cool is that? Oh, I went up and got him some shoes. We keep our house cool in the winter, like it's cold outside. We keep it about 65 in the day, and we warm it up to 68 in the afternoon some days, and 57 at night. So plastic doesn't behave real well, not like when it's 80 in the summertime. All right, let's see how this jacket fits, because that's the important thing. And he's getting ready to go somewhere. Let's see how it fits. Now you can use any jacket if you bought it, if you made it, if you found it, if you went to a doll show and found it, or went to a garage sale and found it. We don't care. We just want to participate. We just like the fun of it. Let's see if I can actually, let me turn him around like you do a child. You know what? This is gonna, if I could get that in there right. That is going to zip up. Well, how cool is that? Now do your little stance. Put your arms like that. His legs are crooked. But if you kick it out like this, like he's standing cool, and his waist is like off to the side. I went up to get shoes, but they are rock hard in this house, so I don't think they're going to go on. Let's see about the Kmart shoes. You know why I call these Kmart shoes? If any of you grew up wearing Kmart shoes, you know how you tried them on in the store. Okay. Walmart does that too, I think. Well, they're not going to go on, but you get the idea, and the idea is the coat. We hope you join us. And the collab is with Cynthia at Ambrosia's Dollhouse, Irene at Irene's Dolly Space, Irene Hough's Dolly Space, and Gosha at Dolls, Trolls, and More. Now I'm doing something a little different through the holidays, and I'm calling it Holiday Cheer. And if you've seen my last video, you know what that means. It means that through the holidays, I'm going to name a channel, and as a community, we're all going to go to that channel, subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment. And in the comment, somewhere in there, put Holiday Cheer. Now, if this is a channel that you already watch, be sure to leave 2 comments, your regular comment and a holiday cheer. Let's spread that throughout the community. And today we're going to do Playful Reborns. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.